Welcome to Rayat Shikshan Sanstha's e-learning platform, Standard 7, Subject English. Today we are going to learn a new topic from Unit number 2, Lesson number 5, Learn Yoga from Animals. Let's learn the lesson. Since the year 2015, the world has been celebrating June 21st as the International Yoga Day. It was perfected in ancient India. Yoga is a composite practice involving the complete mind, body, soul complex that is a human being. Benefits of Yoga. It helps us attain concentration, it helps us attain focus, improves flexibility, and improves strength. Biomimicry. Biomimicry is the science of solving human problems with the solution already present in the natural world. Yoga is a form of biomimicry where in typical asanas or poses we emulate mountains, trees, fish, cats, and many more animals. Precautions in yoga practice. Beginners should start practicing yoga either in the presence of a yoga teacher or join yoga class. Asana should be practiced in a clean, airy, well-lit room with a level floor or on level ground outdoors. Best time for yoga practice is before dinner. What is the yoga? A culture of physical, mental, spiritual discipline. It's a yoga. Composite practice involving the complete mind, body, soul complex. It is a yoga. Integrated system of physical exercise. It's a yoga. Let us look at a few well-known animal poses in yoga. Bhujangasana. It is beginner's pose. Bhujangasana is a Sanskrit mean a cobra. Bhujangasana is a pose that resembles the posture of the cobra with the raised head. This asana helps you tone the muscles of at the back and straightens your spine. It also benefits the chest and shoulders. Steps. Lie face down. Relax all muscles completely so that you are completely at ease. Place your palm on the side just below your shoulders. Breathe in deeply as you slowly raise your head and then smoothly raise the upper part of your body. Do not come up with a jerk. Let your movement be smooth and flowing. Come up slowly so that you feel the movement of the spine vertebra by vertebra and curve the spine well. The navel must keep touching the ground and hold the breath in this position to a count of 20. Then come down slowly while you breathe out. Next asana, Sinhasana. This pose is favorite with young people. In this asana, you assume the sitting position and facial expression of a lion. Steps. Sit with your legs folded under you so that your toes are pointing straight behind and you are sitting on your heels and keep your spine straight but as relaxed as possible. Close your eyes and focus your attention on center of forehead. In yoga, this point is often referred to as a third eye. Close your mouth, touch your palate, roof of your mouth with your tongue. Take a deep breath through your nose while your tongue is still touching your palate. Exhale in one strong move while sticking out your tongue and open your jaws as much as possible. Also, your arms should be thrown out and stretched with your fingers splayed. Roar at the top of your voice while exhaling. The roar should be with a ah sound and should not be a long drawn out one. Rather, it should be one strong explosion of breath that empties your lungs in the shortened time possible. Hold this pose for between 20 to 30 seconds. Do not inhale immediately after this pose. Inhale after few seconds. Next asana, Marjasana. It is a very popular cat pose and it is a simple asana for beginners that stretches the muscles of the abdomen and the back. Gently stretch your muscles and then right off your body ache. Step of the asanas. Start off your hand and knee so that your back is raised in tabletop position. Make sure that your knees are positioned directly below your hips. Your wrist, elbow and shoulders should be in a line and perpendicular to the floor. Center your head in the neutral position with your eyes looking at the floor. Step of the Marjasana. As you exhale smoothly, arch your spine upward toward the ceiling, making sure to keep your shoulders and knees in position. Release your head toward the floor, but don't force your chin to your chest. At least inhale and come back to the neutral tabletop position on your hands and knees. Garudasana enhances your body's ability to balance itself. It also strengthens the leg muscles and improve the flexibility of the joints by loosening the joint muscles. Step up the asana. Stand straight on the both feet. Raise the right leg and wrap it around the left leg. The right thigh should be over the left thigh and the right feet should be touch the calf muscle from the behind. Similarly, wrap the right hand around the left hand. Now place the palm together to resemble the beak of the eagle. Try to maintain the balance and slowly bend left leg and lower the body until right toes touch the ground. Try to remain in this pose for long as you can maintain the balance. Rustrasana. This yoga posture adds flexibility, strength to the body and also help in the improving digestion, as well as it also boosts mood and energy. Steps of the asana. Kneel on the yoga mat. Place your hands on the hips. Your knees should be in a line with the shoulders and the sole of your feet should be facing the ceiling. As you inhale, draw in your tailbone towards the bobbies as if being pulled from the novel. Simultaneously arch your back and slide your palm over your feet till the arms are straight. Do not strain or flex your neck but keep it in a natural position. Stay in a posture for a couple of breath. Breathe out and slowly come back to the initial pose. Withdraw your hands and bring them back to your hips as you straighten up. And remember one note that you may place a cushion below your knees to ease your way into the pose. Thank you for staying with